Hello, this video is a guided meditation for the root chakra using essential oils to support your practice. Hello, my name's Amelia. Everything we talk about today you can find linked to down below in the description. So I'm going to pull in my best friend Emily right now, who's going to guide us on this meditation. Welcome, Emily.
Thanks, Amelia. I was going to share just a little bit about the root chakra, the base energy center at the base of your spine. And it is associated with our feelings of safety. And so, in times of challenge, tending to our root chakra is a great way to decrease anxiety and to increase a sense of reassurance. I really enjoy using the blend that doTERRA makes called Peace, which happens to speak directly to that sense of creating reassurance and safety. I also engage with one of the oils in that blend, vetiver, individually. And vetiver, being a tree oil, helps us to deepen our roots and to connect more completely with earth energy, which is the element associated with the root chakra. When we move into a state of meditation, the first thing that we're doing is really considering our breath. And that's when we can use our oils. So just at the very beginning, when you make a decision to turn to your breath and to shift gears for even just a minute, you can take just a drop of your oil into your hand or onto your wrist, and then we can just rub them together in our hands and hold those hands like a tent in front of our face. And we can take a few deep breaths. And each time we inhale, all of the carbon-based constituents of our essential oil, they move into through our nasal passages right up into our brain, into our lungs, and get sent into every cell of our body. In just about 30 seconds, we can feel the effects of an essential oils aromatherapy. After those first few breaths, we can turn to a mudra, turning the thumbs into your palms and curling your fingers around those thumbs is a gesture related to the first chakra, Muladhara chakra. That's it. And this gesture is called Adi Mudra. And you can just rest your hands on your legs. And that is a gesture that's going to help you also direct your attention to connecting to the earth energy. And then we can simply close our eyes and continue to breathe, letting our awareness slowly make its way down toward the seat of our pelvic bowl. And we can relax the muscles in the groins, in the hips, in the low back. We can relax the muscles in the abdomen and just take this minute slowly breathing and connecting to the sensations in the body and to the sound of the breath. The earth energy of Muladhara chakra comes to meet us as we settle towards it, softening our muscles and listening to the sound of the breath, allowing ourselves to be held, reassured by Mother Earth that you are safe at the center of your being. In fact, I like to use that simple mantra, repeating it 3 times either out loud or silently to myself. I am safe at the center of my being. I am safe at the center of my being. I am safe at the center of my being. Taking just that simple minute to listen to the body, to listen to the breath, and to bring your awareness to that connection to Mother Earth is just enough to switch gears and invite your nervous system to move into a more harmonious state. Opening your eyes and releasing the gesture in your hands, we can come back to our present moment, feeling refreshed and at ease.
That was wonderful. I know right now I'm feeling a lot more grounded, like you say. Just 1 minute of intention, of self-care, of connecting with the wisdom that we have within us. Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's something really extra grounding that those tree oils allow us to sort of embody the strength of a trunk of a tree.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much for letting me share.
Thank you.
Namaste.